Hi guys, welcome back Petrolheads. Yeah, I hope you are doing great. So today we will be doing some stuff on the 156. First of all, I need to change the engine oil because it's already been 10,000. We will also be checking how welding is doing after half a year, right? And a very cold, salty and snowy winter. Now we have a beautiful spring, so we'll see if there are any immediate, let's say, rust spots or things that I missed or maybe did wrong. I will show you that in a minute. So as you can see, I have changed the attire to the much more dirty one. Yeah, but you do not need anything better for working in the car. Yeah, so as I've said, oil, air filter, fuel filter and oil filter. Okay. Oh, it's warm. Yeah, I know, like this, could say, jug looks small, but it will fit it. It's only 4.2 liters, so not that much. Now it's time for the oil filter in here. Okay. This guy back in. Now it's time for a very careful operation, because we have to take this one aside and not drink too much of it.
Easy. Don't do nothing dumb.
And try not to drop it in your oil, alright? Wouldn't be nice. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's a very simple process, maybe not counting the air filter because it's in quite fiddly place, but you can do it. And now let's change the fuel filter, which is behind the cover. You just have to undo a couple of quick connections like this one and this one underneath, and then undo the plug which shows the level of water in the fuel, and yeah, you are good to go. Just make sure you do not spill the fuel, because it will stink when the engine gets hot. Yeah, so usually what I do, I just take it outside, right? And then I unscrew the top part from the filter, and then you can drain the old fuel. Okay, so we are in the car. Next to the glove box you can actually hear it the best, the fuel being pushed through the tank into the filter, right? So yeah, so I will just put maybe here on the vent. Yeah, yeah. Can you hear it? Okay, it stopped, right? So we can turn it off and then turn it back on. It will do it again. Okay, and you can do it one more time. We can't hear it, so it should start without any issues right now. Yeah, I know the glow plugs are flashing because one of them or two are probably not well, let's say. Yeah, there was maybe a small hiccup, like you could hear that she didn't start immediately, but there was like one or two moments where she was like like coughing, but then she started, right? If you wouldn't do that, then you are risking pushing air into the system, let's say, right? So this is how you should do it. You do it once, then you do it second time, and usually the third time is also required. It all depends, right? But yeah, the new filter is completely empty, and as far as I know, every time I empty the filter, the old one, right, before undoing it from the housing, there's like half a liter of fuel inside that fuel filter, right? So there's quite a lot of it. Okay guys, so I've turned the car around and let's go underneath. Let's see how the repairs are holding up. The repair, this is something that I didn't do here in this corner, so I will have to clean this one up and repair it. But yeah, as you can see, for now there is no rust, only there is something happening in here because this is the small hole that was in here. It was weird because it was here from factory. It was not welded, it was just like that, so I don't know why. But yeah, otherwise it seems all okay. All of that you can see in here, this kind of a browny thing, it's not rust. This is how the this underseal, the Nitro 4941, this is how it reacts with other underseal. Basically, if you cover the old underseal with it, it will be brownish color. When you touch it, it will still be like not stiff, it will be like kind of gooey. You can still, when you put a finger into it, you will have residue of it on your finger. There's nothing wrong. Here we have another patch, as you can see. So yeah, there is a little bit of dirt. This is just dirt, this is not rust in here. If I would have a little bit of water, I could clean it. But yeah, this is great. And over there, it's also okay. There are only like two small things that I, let's say, effed up. So this is the first one, as you can see. Let me just give you this look. When you look at those, the lines, right? all of them are straight, and this one is skewed, let's say it's under angle. So what I need to do is remove this one and drill another hole and just make it straight, because otherwise I won't be able to put this plastic cover on. And I also didn't put the plastic cover on because I want to see how it would just react with everything. And the other mistake, the other negative, let's say, that I didn't do is that I didn't put any kind of basically seam sealer, right? I should put a seam sealer so that because yeah, you know, my welds aren't the best because this was my first time welding, so definitely there are some, let's say, small imperfections, small holes, and those small holes will definitely will allow water to travel from inside to outside or outside to inside, right? So what I will do this summer, just to make it a little bit better, is I will just go with sandpaper on all of the edges, just a little bit, and I will put then I will put seam sealer on to make sure no water will travel through all of those gaps and holes and any small gaps that I've left, let's say. Just in comparison, because someone might say that, oh, it's been only like 9 months. At this point it's been 9 months. Someone might say, oh, it's been only 9 months. It shouldn't, let's say, show any rusts or any problems after 9 months. Yeah, it should. If it was done really badly, and in the climate that I live, which is we have winters and we have very salty winters because our road services put so much salt on the road that rust will immediately get into any small holes and will make what it's making, so rust, something that we don't like. Yeah, I know that. Let me just show you this, guys. So for instance, here, this one, can you see this one, guys? You can see those small dots of rust, and here, yeah, so this one actually here, all of the ending of the seal, yeah, this end of the seal was actually done by, let's say, professional, and after he did that, half a year passed, like 5 months, and the rust start popping again, let's say. So that's why I'm saying, and that's why I was checking on this one, because if I would do such a terrible job as this guy did in there, the rust would still pop up. That would be it. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. I hope you are doing great, your cars are working perfecto, and everything is going well in your life. And yeah, we are almost at 500. Maybe when I post this video it will be 500, so very happy about that. And yeah, have a great one, and see you on the next one. Bye!